This is like adult candy. Oh man, the crunch, the bitterness, the sweetness, the pomegranates, the spinach, unbelievable.
Better late than never. We got Sam Danzis in the house. Mike Danzis. And me, Alex CBD.
Okay, so this is a French wine. Reasonable, but a little on the expensive side. And it's a very unique wine and a very unique taste. So now we're gonna pour the wine and look at the color to start out with.
Colonel Lynch, huh?
Look at that dark color. Look at how dark. It's almost like grape nectar. It's not even wine. It's like we squeezed the grapes directly into the bottle. We should let it breathe a little bit.
Like little bigger, very big.
Of course, I get the most. That's it, man. In my wine, I get the most. Okay, guys, you ready to taste it?
Let's do it.
Cheers. Cheers. Yeah, a little warm, but very fine taste.
Yeah.
Real berry taste, grape taste, and it gets better as it breathes a little bit. French wine has to breathe. We didn't let it breathe yet, so we should let it sit down and breathe for a little bit, and then come back to it. Bottoms up.
But all of it? Not bottoms. No. So not bottoms up. That's a whole different thing.
You gotta drink this
Bottoms up a little.
slow. Better?
It's really good. It's like not too dry.
Not
It has a perfect amount of like fruitiness.
It's a French wine.
Yeah.
That's how French wines are. They're a little dainty, soft. I like the element. It's good. Especially after a brief. The color is beautiful. The color is beautiful. It starts to taste different as it breathes. Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah.
The first taste was kind of rough. Okay, so guys, we have a dish called, as an appetizer, Avocado Mango Bhel. That's made with puffed rice, cilantro, tamarind, and chutney. And that's what it looks like. It's beautiful, perfectly round. You got the mango on top.
Let's see,
We're gonna cut it because we're gonna take a taste pretty soon. It does fall apart, but man, that looks good.
Avocado.
Look at all that stuff. It's a little crunchy too. This is an awesome dish. Watch this. Crunch, fruit, spice. Here we go. Holy something. Wow, is that good?
It looks like a rice or something, like
That's what I'm saying.
like a
That's
dry
why I
rice.
wanted, not
Like,
sure what that is.
That's why I wanted to get it. It's rice.
but it's like dried. It's almost crisp, like a puff or something. It's like a rice crispy.
Unique.
It's like a guacamole rice
Eat that
crispy
bite,
treat.
bro.
Oh yeah.
Now we got a second appetizer, and this is called Eggplant Chaat, and it's made with candied ginger, date chutney, and black salt, whatever that is. It looks awesome. Take a look at that dish. You guys, you gotta come to this place, Aarzu in Freehold. It's awesome. Okay, Mike. In the review of this dish, the eggplant pieces are crispy, but good and soft inside. They got onions, they got pomegranate, they got all kinds of spices, including cilantro. Let's taste this dish on air.
Never tried this.
Oh God. Whoa. Woo!
Alright, got the perfect bite right there.
Man,
I did.
this is so good.
Wow. Wow. There's like a sweetness,
Yeah.
That
It's
just
a
like pulls through the whole thing.
pomegranate.
Whatever that sauce is, like it's sweet, it's crispy, but it's soft and it's
And then the pomegranates are a little sour and they
Yeah.
contrast with the sweetness. So beautiful.
that's what Chaat's all about. It's
Yeah.
about balancing a large group of like flavors and textures.
And this restaurant knows what they're doing. Okay, the third dish that we're gonna try as an appetizer is called palak chaat. It's made with spinach chips, tomato onion salsa, and pomegranate. Wow, the spinach is crispy. Well, not like normal spinach. Okay, that looks good for me. Bring your plate over. He's sneaking more wine already. Give me that bottle. Give me that bottle. Drinking all my French wine. This is like adult candy. Oh man, the crunch, the bitterness, the sweetness, the pomegranates, the spinach, unbelievable. Recommend this highly. So good. Okay, now gotta film all this. I gotta describe each dish.
So what do we got here?
Salmon fish curry dish. Look at that. And it's a curry sauce that's pale orange, but also has red streaks in it.
Looks like the spice.
And there's some spice on top of the salmon. And it looks so good, I can't wait to eat it. Then we have a garbanzo beans.
It's Chaat.
And the garbanzo beans are in a beautiful sauce. And it's called chana masala, which is spiced garbanzo beans, mango powder, and cilantro. And just look at that dish. Can't wait to bite into that. We got chili garlic naan bread.
Chili garlic naan.
A double order because we like bread. And there's chili, garlic, and naan in it. And
Rice, plenty
of
of
course
rice.
we got plenty of rice, a big one, a small one, and we got
side of raita.
we have raita. Raita is a Indian yogurt that goes great with the food. You put that on your plate and you mix that in with the food as you lap it up. This is beautiful jasmine rice. This isn't regular rice. And it has little dark specks in there for spice. Okay guys, I'm taking my piece now.
Yeah, these are fat pieces.
So, take a piece of fish, but we gotta do the sauce. Look at that sauce with the red streaks in it.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, this looks unreal. Let's try the salmon dish. This is salmon in some type of outrageous sauce. Here we go.
It's got
Oh man. Woo! All the way. Home run. Grand slam. That's it. Done. You gotta try this. There's no exaggeration. This is awesome. Nice and spicy. Wow. That is awesome. Wow.
That is fine. Really soft and tender.
Spicy. This salmon dish, you don't need to eat meat. If you're a meat eater, you'd love this. This is so spiced up and so flavorful and so overflowing in flavor. It's fantastic.
So what you gotta do is take some naan and you gotta just dip that in salt.
Yeah.
That's the
We'll
beautiful
be doing
thing with naan bread.
We'll all be doing that at the end. We're gonna taste the garbanzo bean dish right now. And it looks very ebullient with a lot of color. And let's go for a taste right now. Wow. Spicy, but not too spicy. Really Indian-like food. So delicious. So, Aarzu in Freehold, New Jersey, downtown Freehold, New Jersey, is an awesome Indian restaurant. It gives you the experience of flavors in food like you don't normally eat. And we have everything from garbanzo beans to this beautiful salmon dish and a great chili garlic naan. I've never seen that combination before. And a little raita, which is a yogurt-based Indian accompaniment to meals. We accompanied that with a beautiful French wine from France, and that's picture of the bottle. And just the experience of dining out during COVID is so great because you take for granted going to restaurants, and now that you can't, then you have a chance to do it again outside. It's an awesome experience, and it's so much more appreciated than we used to appreciate just going to a restaurant, because now you can't do it. Anyway, recommend Aarzu in Freehold, and hugely as a great location to have a great Indian meal.